Welcome to this amazing renovation project. So I have been in Dubai for 13 years. I first started selling Palm Jumeirah villas on the beachfront, just like this one you're about to enter. And this is classified as a signature villa. So the built up is 7,500 at the moment, square foot. And what I love about this villa is the price. Now, currently, any signature villa that is fully renovated is fetching at least 70 million dirham. As you will find when you look below in the description of this video, this price is a fraction of that price. This is a great renovation project for all you investors out there, or potentially you're an end user and you want a beachfront property. This is definitely for you. So let's turn around the camera and let's go and explore this fabulous villa. To remember that this is definitely a renovation project. If you wanted, you would be able to move in. You'd have to switch all of the DWA on, so we don't have the lighting and electricity switched on right now. But this really is a renovation project. I want to highlight that because it does need work. So we walk in, and at the moment you have an entrance hall. So what I am suggesting that we do here is, and I'll talk you through this, is that you actually put a passageway over there, and we're going to add a bedroom upstairs and a bathroom upstairs. And in fact, over here, we're going to knock all of that out and put glass to lighten and brighten up the front of this property. And also this room downstairs, we're going to change into a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So at the moment, this is a 5-bedroom villa. That's your bedroom 5, but we'll actually make it into a 6-bedroom villa. So let's look at these property. The sizes, really just to give you an idea of the size of the rooms, because remember, you're probably going to take a lot of these walls down and create something of a masterpiece. And outside, just to give you an idea, you're also going to be able to build all over this side land. So in fact, other properties that have done the same, they have completely knocked out the kitchen. They've built a large extended dining room, kitchen, and another whole room here. So that is at the moment just a lot of wasted space there that can in fact be used as another room. So let's walk in. The moment your staircase is up here, and you have got your double closed garage there. But let's walk through the house, remembering always this is a renovation project, so you're looking at the land, the potential, you're not looking at the interiors. At the moment, this is the very old kitchen, which obviously you can come and live in and use, but you would knock all of this out, you would open this up with a lot more windows here, extend the kitchen far back and make this into a dining area. All of this would be changed. Most people here have put full glass on the front. You can see, in fact, even if you look straight across at the villa across from us, you can see what they've done. You know, they've just put a lot of glass at the property there. So this at the moment is your living area, which it itself is very spacious. And then currently it's the dining room. Again, you could knock all this out with all the walls. And if we just come back down here, you've got a guest toilet and bathroom in there. And you've got a pretty large maid's room and laundry room in there. Sorry, there's no lights. So if you didn't want a maid's room or help, then you could make this an extra sort of downstairs study, TV room. But most people probably use this for their extra help. And let's just go outside, because I think this is the best bit of all. If you have a look outside, you'll see this fabulous location right here on the beachfront. So obviously it's an older property, so the swimming pool is not looking great at the moment, so look past that. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So I don't want to fall down on the pool. But basically, there is land here that has already been paid for by the current owner. That land in itself, just for the extension. So you can actually now build up to the end here of the garden, the flower beds. That is an extra cost that the owner's paid of 3 million dirham just for that extension. And most people now choose to put lovely infinity pools along here and really looking straight out on the beach. But you've got straight down at the end there, you've got the Burj Al Arab. You can also see the Royal Atlantis here, and where that balloon is the current Atlantis, the old Atlantis as well. So you can get a real feel for this beautiful location, and literally that is your walkway straight down to the beach for a swim and a beach walk. And this beachfront is completely private here at the Palm Jumeirah. You can only be on this beach if you are an owner or you're a guest of the owner, because you have to come through the security. And then if we walk around here to the side, you'll be able to see what potential could be done here. That was the room at the front that I said you can knock down. You can build another whole bedroom on top with an ensuite bathroom. So that's a complete extra built up area there. And you can build right the way out on the side of the house here, which has already been done. So there's a lot of potential with this villa indeed. But now let's go back inside and explore the upstairs area, just to give you an idea of what is possible. And this is, I just can't quite believe the price tag on this one. It's a great deal. It's gonna go. So that's back to the front. So let's go upstairs. So upstairs at the moment we have 4 bedrooms. Obviously with my idea we would extend and add a 5th bedroom upstairs. And then with the one downstairs that would be 6 bedrooms. So here upstairs, what I mean is you would put like a walkway across here. You'd open all of that up to be another bedroom, bathroom. That would all be opened up with glass, so it would be a lot lighter and brighter in here. We've already seen a lot of villas do that. So there's 1 bedroom here, the back of the house. It's facing towards the Palm Jumeirah. You're just minutes away from the harbour there. You can see the boats, so you can have a boat here. There's also the mall. You can see those funny curve-shaped things. That's the Metro in Nakheel Mall, so you're very close to the shops. So all these bedrooms upstairs have bathrooms, wardrobes, but again, you're going to come in and fully renovate this house. But maybe you want to move in straight away and you want to see what's possible and can you live here while you're working around yourselves. Or you may do this as a project and not move in yet. Or you may be an investor. So you can see some of the bathrooms have actually had a little bit of an update as well. This is another bedroom and the walk-in wardrobe there. And we've got 2 more bedrooms. So bedroom at the front here. Again, you can open that up. Little bird there, sweet. Okay, with the bathroom ensuite there. Okay, and finally, here we have it, the last bedroom, which is the master. And again, they have done up the bathroom. You've got a shower, toilet there. And you've got a walk-in wardrobe there, which is a little bit larger than the rest. So let's just check out the view, because this is by far the USP of this house. It's this location, it's this balcony, it's just absolutely glorious. So here you have it. Doesn't get much better than that. So if you would like about how you can avail of this villa, my details are below. We can come out to see this property immediately, and you can be a cash buyer or a mortgage buyer. The price tag is below, the built up area is below. Remember, something else that's really important to say is that right now Nakheel became part of Dubai Holdings, and all the prices are being reviewed for renovations and extensions. So this particular property is being sold with that extra land there for the infinity pool or the garden already paid for, so you can go ahead and build there and you don't have to pay any new potential price increase. That's a massive plus for purchasing this particular house. Now you will have to pay, obviously there's always, like any property you buy in Dubai as a renovation, you will always pay to the developer and the NOC, which is a no objection certificate, cost for any extra building, and those prices are currently being reviewed. So there's probably going to be some new pricing for that in January. But in the meantime, for now, this is a great project. It is I would say, the cheapest signature villa anywhere on the Palm Jumeirah today. So, you know, when you think about the fact that really 7-bedroom villas are selling at 32 million dirham on the new Palm Jebel Ali, they're 4 years away, and you are getting this at even less price than that. I think you'll agree with me, this is a pretty good deal. So let's speak soon. And don't miss out. This is a great deal. It's a hot deal. The minute I heard of it, I got in my car. I was here within 35 minutes. It's a hot one.